Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We all love flowers and plants. But before planting any plant, do you know that some plants are poisonous? And some plants are not safe to keep at home at all. But if we take any poisonous plant and plant it at our house, we have to take some precautions. Before, we have also made a video about oleander plant. It is also poisonous. If you love oleander plant and have planted oleander plant in your garden, you may check that video. That video we will give in the description and in the end screen. Especially if you have any children or pets at home, you have to take some precautions before planting the oleander plant. Today the plant we are going to talk about is also oleander, but it is known as yellow oleander or beetle tree or lucky nut. And in Bengali, it is called Kolke fool. Sometimes we want to plant a beautiful floral background in our garden, so we do it by planting yellow oleander. Yellow oleander plant is an evergreen tropical shrub or a small tree. Its leaves are willow-like and glossy green in color. They are covered in waxy coating to reduce water loss. Its stem turns silver or grey as it ages. So let us start the cure about the garnet or Kolke flower plant. First, let's talk about the soil. The soil of this plant should be well drained and fertile, rich in organic content for growing plants. As you all know, my mom likes to do organic gardening. And she always uses kitchen waste compost or homemade fertilizers for any plant. During the main growing season, which is June to July, feed the plant with organic fertilizer. These are some fertilizers my mom uses: tea leaf compost, liquid kitchen waste compost, etc. We have given many homemade organic fertilizers in our playlist, so you can go and check all the fertilizers from there. Garnet, Kolke or yellow oleander plant can take any fertilizer. And it is a very low maintenance plant in your garden. But the surprising thing is, it is a bee-friendly plant. That means they attract many bees and butterflies to your garden and help in pollination. For sunlight, you have to give at least 3 to 6 hours in the morning sunlight. Water when the topsoil feels dry to touch. Okay, so let's go to the main part about why this plant is so poisonous. If any human or animal eating the plant, especially the fruit, it is too poisonous for them. So make sure to pluck all the flower as soon as it bloomed, so no seeds are produced in your garden. My mom kept the fruits to show you. Always we pluck all the flowers from the plant so they cannot bear any fruits. And make sure to keep all your children and pets as far as away from this plant. And while plucking the flowers, if there is any irritation in your hand, be sure that this flower is allergic to you. So you must avoid this plant. So you can plant this plant in your garden with some precautions. It may enhance the beauty of your garden as well. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.